Welcome back to the European Canoe Polo Championships. Just at the start of a women's game against Sweden and Denmark. Game gets underway. Sweden with the first possession. Sweden team, Maria Johansson, Alina Lundgren, Gabriella Ostrom, Vilma Skagerstedt, Nadja Heldland, Malin Osterman, and Kasia Nolhas. Denmark team, Isabella Petersen, Cecile Weinrich, Freya Brandenholt, Sarah Anderson, Louise Nielsen, Folk Yannick, Lara Rebra, Singh Severson. So game's underway now. Sweden still with the attack. And that's a great goal from Sweden. No hesitation there. Ball goes straight into the net. That was number 4, Gabriella Ostrom. So, first attack now by Denmark. Bringing the ball up the pitch. Denmark. Oh, fantastic shot there from Denmark. Number 7. And that's Folk Janesh. So, scores stand at 1 goal apiece. Denmark, 7th in the last European Championships 2 years ago, where Sweden were 9th. So fairly evenly matched 2 years ago, and at the moment looking fairly evenly matched as well here. Denmark get possession. Moving up slowly, Swedish defence in place. Skagerstedt with the ball. And that's a foul from Denmark on the goalkeeper from Sweden. So Sweden turn over possession there. Long ball up the pitch. And a shot from Sweden, but there's a foul called. Illegal tackle on the keeper there. So once again, Denmark in possession this time. Goal throw being taken. Denmark have had teams competing in championships, women's teams, over about the last 15 years. Teams have never medalled. Highest position has been 6th place for Denmark over the years. That was their best in 2005 in Madrid. Denmark still with the possession here. Sweden in a similar position, probably been playing in championships for about 15 years. Great block there by the Swedish team. Sweden's highest championship position has been 8th. They've done that a couple of times in 2007 and in 2009. Corner taken. Ball goes back out, the shot's not on there. Denmark picking that ball up. Coming under a bit of pressure in that last 6 meters from the Sweden defence. Sweden trying to drive them back out, away from their keeper, away from the goal. Seven seconds left on the shot clock. They're going to have to shoot or they'll lose possession. Oh, they've been given a foul. Legal paddle foul there, so the ball is returned to Denmark. And they get a further 60 seconds on the clock. And the shot. That was blocked by the keeper. Fell down into Denmark hands again. Another save by the keeper from Sweden. Heldland, she's doing a great job in there. So, long ball up there for Sweden. Can they make anything of it? And it's a shot and a goal from Johansson. Great work from Johansson. As soon as they gained possession there, off she went, straight up the pitch, looking for that long ball down. These players know their teammates, they know their limitations. So whatever they can do to their best advantage, they will play that. So Sweden take the lead. Once again, 2 goals to Sweden, 1 to Denmark. Just over 3 minutes of the first half of this game left to play. So Denmark looking to equalise once again. Taking the ball around the pitch. Being pressurised there by Sweden, who have picked that ball up. Sweden now looking for a good pass. Plenty of players there. And we're looking for another shot, and it's another goal for Johansson. Sweden now taking a 2-goal lead. Sweden certainly capitalising on the Danish defence not being in place. Working back. And referee just bringing the ball up a bit further for the foul. Legal holding. Ball bounces off though. And Sweden once again pick up that loose ball. There's a foul there, still Sweden's possession, holding foul. Sweden still trying to break, but Denmark, in between the players. Timeout, says the referee. That's a green card for a paddle foul for the Danish team. That's the first green card of the game. Two minutes still to play in this first half. And it's a shot, but that goes way over the top of the bar. Goal line throw. Long ball up the pitch. Sweden defends once again, trying to drive out the Danish team. Danish team pushing the Swedes back onto their goal, but the shot goes over the top, way over the top by the Denmark team. So Sweden now have the last 40 seconds of this first half with the shot clock. See if they can monopolise on that and extend their lead a little bit further. No, they can't. They give away a foul, giving possession back to Denmark. So can Denmark get another goal before half time? "15 seconds left to play. Long ball up. But opportunity doesn't look as though it's there. Can she get this ball away? No, she can't. So we go into half time. Sweden 3, Denmark 1. So, as the teams go to talk to their coaches at half time, get further instructions, have discussions about what's happening, we'd just like to say to you that the competition's been organised by the Portuguese Canoe Federation and the European Canoe Association. We'd also like to say thank you to Coimbra City Council, the University of Coimbra, Club Fluvial de Coimbra, who are the local canoe club, Jogos Santa Casa, Upin Sport, who have supplied the goals for this event, Portuguese Institute for Sport and Youth. So thank you to all those sponsors of this event. We'll be back with you shortly for the second half of this game. Okay, the teams line up for the second half of this women's group game. We have Denmark on the left-hand side of your screen, Sweden on the right. Denmark in red boats, red buoyancy aids and white helmets. Sweden in blue boats, yellow buoyancy aids and blue helmets. Denmark winning that second half sprint there, picking up the ball. So Denmark need to make up the deficit of 2 goals to get level with the Swedish team. But they give away a paddle foul there. So Sweden now have possession. Number 2, Elina Lundgren, youngest player on this Sweden team, only 16 years of age. Playing really well. She takes the ball into the zone. What could she do? No shot on there, so she passes it back out. Women need to just keep that ball moving. 15 seconds left on the shot clock. Passes it over. And again. And takes the shot. Ostrom taking the shot for Sweden, but it's blocked down by the Danish goalkeeper, Robra. Oh. Okay. And a long ball down there from Denmark. And a long shot. I think that was going over the top, but it was blocked by Sweden to make sure it did. Swedish goalkeeper Hedlund taking that ball over the top, out for a corner. Swedish team here. I think there's about 6 of these ladies live in the north of the country, where they can only train outside for about 2 months of the year because of the cold. Doesn't seem to be stopping at the moment. That's great work there from number 2. Oh, referees letting that play go on. But they've dropped the ball now. And that's an illegal tackle, so Sweden get that ball. Swedish possession. Skagerstedt with the ball. And it's a free shot if she wants it, but she passes it off. Ostrom. Then back out to Hedlund. Girls just passing the ball around. 60 seconds restarted when that foul was awarded. Oh, unfortunate there. Skagerstedt just letting that ball roll down a deck and into Danish hands. Denmark just moving up that pitch. Long ball across, but dropped there, picked up by teammate. Looking for that pass in so that they can have a shot on goal. Plenty of time yet. 19 seconds on the shot clock. No need to rush. Blocked down by Sweden. Sweden pick that loose ball up. And again, a holding foul. Referee calls timeout. Number 5. Referees stop the clock there. Number 5. Green card for number 5 from Denmark. That's the second green card Denmark have received in this game. Individual players only allowed to receive 1 green card before they go to a yellow card. Each team only allowed to receive 3 green cards. The 4th green card is then converted to a yellow. Great tackle there, gives Denmark the possession, pushing the ball over the sideline. Denmark still 2 goals adrift here. Taking their time. As the crowd shouts shot clock, she takes the shot, but it bounces off the bar. It is back into Danish hands though. Looking for a second go here, but blocked down again. Ostrom blocking that ball. Picked up now by Sweden. Sweden making a run up the pitch. Long ball across. Once again. And for paddle foul there. Given against Sweden. And Denmark received the ball. So turnover of possession once again. And a fantastic shot there. A wonderful shot from Denmark. Amazing. So that brings the scores back closer. So that's Sweden 3, Denmark 2. Scorer of that goal was number 6, Louise Nielsen. So 1 goal in it and 3.5 minutes left of this game. Sweden giving away fouls here and letting the possession turn over to Denmark. They need to be a little bit more careful. Denmark have just proved that they can score. Looking again, they have time. Plenty of time left in this game for everything to change. Danish team being very patient there. And that's blocked out in the pass, but picked up once again. It's a foul again. Referees saying timeout. Calling at number 8 for Sweden. Green card. So that is Sweden's first green card of the game. As Denmark take possession once more. Full minute on the clock. Take that shot on goal. It bounces off the bar. Now Sweden have the possession. Sweden just taking their time. Long ball up now to a free man. Skakkersted, what can she do? Into the centre. Johansson, long shot, and that's a goal for Johansson. Great goal there from Johansson, taking the score up. 4 to Sweden, 2 to Denmark. Swedish supporters on the side saying that is Sweden's greatest shot. Straightest and greatest. So Sweden have pulled that possession off again. They've picked that loose ball up from Denmark. What can they do with it this time? They do have players free. Oh, but giving away a foul. Holding foul halfway up the pitch. Mistake there by Sweden, giving possession back to Denmark. Long ball. That was a shot at goal, I believe, but nowhere near the goal this time. I think sometimes they just need to wait a little bit longer until they have the perfect pass, the perfect shot. Don't rush it. So, Denmark trying to put pressure onto the Swedish team now. Minute left to play in this game. They may well have left it too late. Marking them 5 out, man for man. But there's an illegal tackle there, straight into the head. Oh, and referees calls timeout. Number 3 from Denmark has got a yellow card. Yellow card for number 3 from Denmark. There are only 48 seconds left to play in this game, but Sweden will get the shot clock here. If Sweden score, it's a power play yellow card. She can come back on. So, Sweden with the possession for the last 40 seconds of this game. They don't need to do anything, they just need to hold on to the ball for the win. Scores at the moment, Sweden 4, Denmark 2. Girls are just passing the ball around, holding on to the possession. Denmark not coming out to attack at all. I think the game will probably finish with 1 shot. Who's going to take it? Oh, Johansson, that's blocked down though. That's a corner. Will they have time to take it? I'm not sure if they will. Last 5 seconds of the game. And out of time, I'm afraid, but blocked anyway. So, Sweden 4, Denmark 2. Great work from both teams there, but the win goes to Sweden.